Hello and welcome. I'm Raghav, and today I'm going to tell you a very interesting story. Once upon a time, there was a man who was going through the forest with his donkey. After going to some distance, the donkey fell into a pit. The man realized that it is a very deep pit and it was very difficult to pull the donkey out of the pit. So he realized that it is no use of making the efforts. So he thought that let me just bury the donkey here, and he started putting mud on the donkey. Every time the man would put mud on the donkey would shake it off, and soon he realized that he can actually step over the mud and he can reach a little higher. So every time he would shake off the mud and take a step higher, and very soon he was able to come out of the pit. I hope this story will give you new strength to fight the difficulties in your life and come out victorious. I will see you in the next episode of Sunday Special. Thank you for watching.